Because we experienced hurricanes in the past few years, we realized there was a need for training for folks who, as part of their job or as volunteers, are involved in storm damaged tree cleanup. Union County Cooperative Extension partnered with Ellen Bowski from the University of Georgia Center for Urban Agriculture to provide 2 training workshops. The funding covered the training and the materials for the workshop and was provided by the Occupational Safety and Health Administration. The first workshop covered chainsaw safety and personal protection equipment, which we simply refer to in the industry as PPE. Discussion covered types of PPE, including hard hats, chaps, hearing protection, eye protection, footwear, and safety features such as the chain guard, chain brake, throttle, throttle lock, and spark arrestor were discussed and pointed out on a chainsaw. How to hold the saw properly when using it and how to properly transport a saw were also discussed and demonstrated. The second installment in the series reviewed PPE and covered information on ropes, knots, using hardware and mechanical advantage, hazard or danger tree cutting and felling, as well as technical cutting techniques for releasing hung and snagged trees. These techniques demonstrated in the field were use of a throw line, a pull test, shaving cut to release a tree in a spring position, and various other types of cuts including bypass, keyhole, and more. Participants were asked to think about what they had learned in the classroom and contribute their thoughts on the steps they would take to safely bring down a hazardous tree in the field. And the instructor corrected or added to, if needed to, what they suggested. Thanks go to STI Turfcare and Union County Farm Bureau for sponsorship to support this training. A third workshop will be held in the fall for tree workers as part of this series.